Question number 7, page 73. Prove that 10 pi by 4 plus x upon 10 pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x whole square. So, nice, easy question. Here given 10 pi by 4 plus x. So, you have to apply 10a plus b formula, and this is 10a minus b. So, we have formula 10a plus b is 10a plus 10b whole upon 1 minus 10a 10b. This is the formula for 10a plus b. And if it's a minus, then this is minus, and this is plus, that you know. So, have to apply first formula in numerator and the second formula in denominator. So, applying this formula, I am writing left hand side directly, applying this formula to here, right? So, answer will be 10a, that is 10 pi by 4 plus, that is 10b, that is plus 10x whole upon 1 minus 10 pi by 4 into 10x, right? So applying formula for this is the formula. Now divide means I am writing here into, in denominator 10 pi by 4 minus x, that is 10a, that is 10 pi by 4 minus 10x. So I am writing here 10 pi by 4 minus 10x upon denominator of the denominator goes to numerator. So 1 plus 10 pi by 4 into 10x. Now you know 10 pi by 4 is 1. So substituting 10 pi by 4 is equal to 1, here 1, this is 1 and this is 1. So what we get here? 1 plus 10x whole upon 1 minus 10x into 1 plus 10x, because this is 1. So 1 plus 10x whole upon 1 minus 10x. Now this is 1 plus 10x into 1 plus 10x, that is 1 plus 10x whole square. So this is 1 plus 10x whole square whole upon 1 minus 10x, 1 minus 10x. So 1 minus 10x whole square. Now writing both in 1 square, that is I am writing like this, 1 plus 10x whole upon 1 minus 10x whole square. So this is right hand side and hence this is root. Hence this is root, right? So these are the answers. Question number 8, page 73. Prove that cos pi minus x, cos minus x, sin pi minus x, cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x. So taking this left hand side, cos pi minus x, cos minus x whole upon sin pi minus x, cos pi by 2 plus x. We learn this cos pi minus x is here. This is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and this is 2 pi after completing one revolution. So pi is here, minus means we have to go to clockwise direction. So that is in second quadrant, right? And in second quadrant cos is negative, change, no change because this is a full angle. So cos is negative, so minus cos x is your answer. So minus cos x, cos minus x, cos is an even function, so cos is even function, cos is even, so therefore cos minus theta is equal to cos theta, that you know, right? So this is cos x whole upon, again sine pi minus x, so this is pi minus x, that you know, so pi minus x, sine pi minus x is sine x, so this is sine x, cos pi by 2 plus, now pi by 2 plus, now pi by 2 plus, there is, this is pi by 2 plus, so this is pi by 2 plus in second quadrant cos is negative, so this is negative, change, yes, full angle is not given, is a half angle, so change, yes, so cos change to sine, so this is minus sine x, right? So now this minus become plus, this is cos square x upon sine square x, so this is cos square x upon sine square x. Now cos square x upon sine square x, that is cos upon sine is cot x whole square, that is cot square x, and this is your right hand side. Right? Question number 9, page 73. Prove that cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, cos 2 pi plus x, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. Means we have to move, I think, almost all quadrant. Right? So taking left hand side is cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x and plus cot 2 pi plus x. This is given, right? Now, as you know, this is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. First, 3 pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 2 plus x means this is 3 pi by 2 plus x, 3 pi by 2 plus x, that is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive, all Sachin Tendulkar cards, all STC, right? So cos is positive, change, yes, because this is a half angle, so cos will be changed to sine, so this is minus sine x, sorry, plus sine x because cos is positive, sorry, right? Now cos 2 pi plus x, so 2 pi, this plus means we have to go in this direction, so 2 pi plus x, first quadrant, all positive, no change, so cos x is the answer, so answer is cos x. Then this is cot 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 is here, minus means we have to go to clockwise direction, so this is 3 pi by 2 minus x, so 3 pi by 2 minus x, third quadrant, in third quadrant cot is positive, all ST, tan and cot are positive, so cot is positive, change, yes, this is changed to tan, so answer will be tan x plus cot 2 pi plus, again 2 pi plus x, first quadrant, in first quadrant all positive, change, no change, so answer is cot x. So this is sin x cos x, this is sin x tan x plus cot x, and we have to prove 1, means this is in terms of sin cos and this is in terms of tan and cot. So you know, in trigonometry, if you want to simplify and if you want answer 1, then you have to change all terms in sin cos. So changing this term in sine cos and simplifying, we will get our answer, right? So this is sine x into cos x, right? Now tan is sine upon cos, so this is sine x upon cos x, plus cot x is cos x upon sine x, right? So this is sine x cos x. I am writing in one bracket only. Taking LCM, this is sine square x plus cos square x. So this is sine square x plus cos square x whole upon LCM is sine x into cos x. So sine x into cos x. Now this is sine x cos x, this is sine x cos x will be cut, and this is sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1 that you know. So this is 1, that is your right hand side. What this is what you want to prove, so this is proved, right? Question number 10, page 73. Prove that sin n plus 1x into sin n plus 2x plus cos n plus 1x into cos n plus 2x is equal to cos x. See, both have sine, both have cos, right? So if we take a left hand side, so left hand side I am writing cos first, right? So cos n plus 1 into x. The reason behind this I will tell you later, right? So cos, and if you understand, then it's nice, plus sine n plus 1x into sine n plus 2x. So reason behind the writing cos first is, this is c, this is cos n plus 1 into x, that is cos a, and this is cos b n plus 2 into x, then plus sine a, so this is a into sine, this is b, right? So this is the formula for cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is the formula for cos, that is cos, if plus then we have to take minus, cos a minus b, cos a minus b, right? We have 4 formulas for this type of cos and sine, for 2 for cos and 2 for sine. So another is cos a plus b, then this is minus, and sin a plus b, sin a minus b. So applying this formula, our a is n plus 1x and b is n plus 2x. So answer is cos a minus b. So this is cos a. A is n plus 1 into x minus b is n plus 2 into x. So simplifying, taking x common from here, so this is cos n plus 1 minus n minus 2, and x is common. So this will cut. This is cos 1 minus 2 is minus. So this is cos minus 1 into x. Now cos minus x. This is cos minus x. But cos is a even function that you know. So cos minus theta is cos theta. So cos is even. So cos minus theta is equal to cos theta that you know. So answer will be cos x. So this is your right hand side, what you want to prove, right? Question 11, page 73, prove that cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. So taking left hand side is cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Right? Now you have formula cos a plus b minus cos a minus b, that is cos a plus b minus cos a minus b is minus 2 times sin a sin b. This is the formula. So applying this formula, what we get? Minus 2 sin a is this and b is this. So a b, right? A b. So a is 3 pi by 4 and b is x. So sin x 3 pi by 4. 1 less than the denominator, that is in second quadrant, and standard angle is pi by 4. So sin pi by 4 is root 1 upon root 2, and second quadrant sin is positive. So answer will be plus minus 2 1 upon root 2 into sin x. This you know, right? 3 pi by 4. Standard angle is pi by 4. So answer of this is sin pi by 4 if it is not there. So sin pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2. Now 3 pi by 4, 1 less than the denominator. 1 less than the denominator, that means this is in second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is positive. So answer is positive 1 upon root 2. Either you can write like this also. As you know, sin 3 pi by 4 is equal to sin pi minus pi by 4. So sin pi minus theta, second quadrant, is sin pi by 4, that is root 2. So you can adopt any method for writing this. Okay, if you want to write this step, you can write 3 step. If you want to write directly, you can write directly also. Both are valid method, right? So answer will be minus root 2 sin x, that is your right hand side, and hence this is proved, right? Second method, you can apply cos a plus b formula, cos a minus b formula, and then simplify. You will be get same answer. Okay, so there is homework for you. Apply cos a plus b formula, that is this formula, cos a plus b, that is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and second minus, then here plus, and first second formula, and simplify. You will be get same answer, but it takes a time, and this is a very easy and short method for saving a time. Okay.